Looking to increase your storage space with a new garage? Before you begin construction, you'll need to know the garage setback regulations in your area. Let's talk about how close you can build a garage to your property line. Most cities and municipalities have regulations about where you can build a detached structure, like a garage, even on your own property. These local regulations are called setbacks because they determine how far set back the structure must be from your property line. Primarily imposed to protect property values, setback regulations can not only vary from place to place, but also from yard to yard. You may be subject to different setback regulations depending on whether you're building your garage in the front or back of your house or even on the side. Each side of your yard will likely have its own setback rules. That's why it's so important to do adequate research prior to beginning your project. You can contact your local building department to find the setback regulations for your area. Search your city government's website for more details and the appropriate contact info. Although exact setback requirements differ, the standard setback regulation is 5 to 10 feet behind your property line. You may also have to set your garage back at least 15 feet from the main home. Again, check your local government's regulations for specifics. Your area may also have building codes that regulate the length and height of your garage and even potentially the building materials you can use. So once again, prior research is paramount to getting your project successfully completed. For more information about home ownership and to find the best home insurance coverage without a hassle, go to getjerry.com.